Hi everyone, Mr. Jolliver here, your science teacher. How is your learning going on? I hope you're doing great. For this week, we'll have a new topic. Topic 4, the Earth and Beyond. In this topic, we have 3 lessons. 4.1, where does the sun go at night? 4.2, the Earth rotates on its axis. And 4.3, the Earth's orbit. At the end of this topic, you are expected to be able to explore through modeling that the sun does not move. Its apparent movement is caused by the Earth spinning on its axis. Know that the Earth spins on its axis once in every 24 hours, and know that the Earth takes a year to orbit the sun, spinning as it goes. For now, I am going to explain about 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, start up your learning mode. Off we go. To start, let's have first a short review about the previous lesson. Study the diagram on the screen. We have the screen, rectangular object, and the torch. We have position A and position B. Now, try to answer the questions. You may pause the video for a while. You are expected to get all the answers correctly. Now let's have the answer. For the first one, which you saw it a while ago, what will happen to the size of the shadow when the torch is moved to position B? So that means we have the torch here. The torch, you are going to move it in position B. Now what will happen to the size of the shadow? It will become bigger. Next, when the object is moved towards position B, we have the object, rectangular object, and move to position B, then what will happen to the size of the shadow? The shadow is bigger. Next, the object is moved to position A. The size of the shadow will be smaller. We have the screen moved to position A. The size of the shadow is also smaller. Next, we have these two diagrams. Are these diagrams look familiar to you? Yes, these diagrams are from the first term. In diagram A and diagram B. Now we have in diagram A, the Earth is at the center, and the Moon, the Sun, planets, and even stars move around it. Do you remember what this model is called? Diagram A describes an Earth-centered universe, also known as the geocentric model. In diagram B, we have the Sun at the center, and then the rest move around it. What does this model represent? Diagram B represents a Sun-centered universe, also known as heliocentric model. Now, which model is correct? Is it A or B? Absolutely, it is model B. However, I want to clarify that yes, the Sun is the center of the solar system, but not the universe. Okay, enough for the review. Let's go to the new lesson. Here is a diagram showing the different positions of the Sun in the sky throughout the day, from sunrise to sunset. But wait, which one is the sunrise and which one is the sunset? In order for us to know that, let's use the directions in the diagram wherein the north is pointing at your direction. Therefore, the left side of the diagram is east and the right side is west. Now, where do you think the sun rises? Is it in the east or in the west? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So therefore, we have the sunrise in the east and the sunset in the west. How about at the middle, where the sun is at its highest position? What time of the day is it? We call it noon or midday. Do you remember our explanation about lesson 3.2, shadows outside? What time of the day is the shadow the longest? We have two possible answers. We have early morning, that is during the sunrise, and late afternoon, during the sunset. How about the time of the day where the shadow is shortest? Yes, we have at noon or midday. Now we know where is the sun during the day. How about during the night? Where does the sun go at night? It hides behind the moon? Of course no. It visits other planets? No also. We have it goes to the other side of the earth? Nope. How about it does not go anywhere? Yes, that's correct. Day and night, the sun stays put at the center of the solar system. It does not go anywhere. Then why we can't see the sun during the night? Actually, it is the earth that is moving. What do we call this earth's movement? We have rotation. The earth rotates on its axis. When we say rotate, it means spin or movement round an axis or center. So the earth spinning on its axis is called rotation. Where is the earth axis? Here it is. It is an imaginary line from the North Pole to the South Pole, and it is tilted. How much? If we are going to draw a vertical line that divides the earth into equal half, then the axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees, or simply 23 degrees. Now the question is, how much time does the earth take to make a one complete rotation? Your guess is right. We have 24 hours, or this is equal to 1 day. since we have 24 hours in one day. If you have questions, raise your hand. Oops, I forgot. I won't see it anyway. Let us see if you understand what I have just explained. Here is a diagram showing one of the Earth's movement. The question is, for question A, what does the red arrow represent? What do you think is the answer? If you say Earth's rotation or rotation, then you are correct. Question number B. Letter B. What is the meaning of rotation? Rotation is the movement of Earth round its axis. For letter C, label the axis in the diagram. We have this one, or this one is also correct. And lastly, how long will the Earth take to complete one rotation? Circle all the correct answers. The answers are 1 day and 24 hours. The next question is, what is the effect of Earth's rotation on Earth? The Earth's rotation causes day and night. In the diagram, the side of the Earth facing the Sun is experiencing daytime, while the side facing away the Sun is experiencing nighttime. What do you think will happen if the Earth stops rotating? The answer can be found in your topic or notes. Read and understand it, okay? If you want to investigate about Earth's rotation and how it causes day and night, you may do the same in the picture if you have a globe and a torch. A globe is a model or small version of Earth. The torch represents the Sun. To make your investigation a fair test, you should do this in your room lights off. Only the torch, which is the Sun, should be on. The torch should be steady in one place. If you don't have a globe, you may use any spherical object, like an orange. For the torch, you may use the flashlight in your phone. You may do this after the video. Be a scientist and enjoy learning. Now, application. Study the diagram below. Which one shows the nighttime correctly? Is it A, B, C, or D? Now, since the Sun in the diagram is in the left side, therefore the right side is nighttime. So B and C are not the answers. That leaves us A and D. In A, vertical line is used, while in D, the axis is used to divide the Earth into half. Now, which one do you think is correct? We have A. Now remember, don't use the axis in showing day and night. Use the vertical line. Let's sum up what we have learned so far. The Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Day and night, the Sun stays put at the center of the solar system. It does not go anywhere. The movement of the Earth round its axis is called rotation. The Earth completes one rotation in 1 day or 24 hours. Rotation causes day and night. And lastly, the half of the Earth facing the Sun experiences day, while the other half facing away the Sun experiences night. Application. Now try to answer the following questions. You may pause the video for a while to give you time for answering. Here is the image of the Earth as seen from the space. Complete the following sentences. For letter A, the Earth spins on its axis once every blank hours. What do you think is the answer? We have 24 hours. For letter B, the half of the Earth facing away from the Sun is nighttime. And lastly, we have letter C, Earth's blank causes day and night. We have rotation. Did you get all the answers correctly? Great! That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Have fun in learning. Goodbye.